Hello and welcome to LEC, Logistics Ecosystem Consultant. If you ever wondered what logistics really is, how supply chains actually work, or how products move from raw materials all the way to customers, this channel is built for you. Logistics and supply chain are everywhere, but for many people, these topics feel confusing and disconnected. People study terms but often don't really see how everything works together in the real world. At LEC, we explain logistics, supply chain, and freight movement concept in a simple, structured, and practical way. Every topic is broken down so you will build real understanding, not just definitions. On this channel, you will learn what logistics really is, why it exists, how the end-to-end supply chain works, the core functions like transportation and warehousing, and how different players together form the logistics ecosystem. All LEC videos are part of a structured learning path. You start with foundations, move into core functions, understand the full supply chain flow, explore the logistics ecosystem, and then connect it to professional growth. The long-term vision of LEC is to build a complete logistics learning ecosystem, connecting education, skills, industry understanding, and professional development. This channel is designed for students, beginners, working professionals, and anyone who depends on logistics and wants strong conceptual clarity. If you want to understand logistics clearly and grow in this field, subscribe to LEC and start learning how the logistics ecosystem really works.